Although it's not directly related to events, you've got to be able to work with forms and open forms. And every example loads a form in reaction to a button click sooner or later. The sample form loads other forms like this. It says dim a variable as a new instance of the class of form you're trying to load, and then it calls the show method of that form. This is just one of several different ways to load forms in Visual Basic. But you'll see code like this if you investigate the sample application. Visual Basic also supports other ways of showing forms. You can take advantage of VB6-like loading, which really is only included for backwards compatibility, and I really don't suggest you use this technique, or the my.forms collection, if you need to iterate through all the forms, perhaps. For example, you can say, as in VB6, formName.show. If you do that, the compiler will generate the code it needs to create the instance, a default instance of that form, but I find that misleading and confusing. I like seeing the code that says, let me create an instance, and then show it. You could also use my.forms.demoform.show. That's using the forms property of the my namespace. You'll learn more about my later in the course. Either one of these will work. I like the technique you saw in the previous slide, which creates an instance of the form class and then calls the show method of that instance.